Welcome to week 17, assignment 2. As we've been doing all semester, every other week is our typing week. So this week is typing since last week you had vocabulary. So what you need to be doing is going to, there's this game about Santa, which will give you some practice. And once you get good at it, once you're ready to do it, you need to go to the typingtest.com and take the 1-minute timed typing test. Okay? When you get your adjusted speed, you need to take a screenshot of it and submit it. You also need to copy and paste this sentence and submit it with your completion certificate. So it says at the end of the first semester, my typing speed is, whatever your typing speed is, when you take the test this week, that's what you put here. I need you to erase whichever one it is. So I did make my second quarter goal, or I did not make my second quarter goal. You guys set your own goals at the beginning of the second quarter. The last thing is that I have improved my typing speed by blank words per minute. So what I want you to do is take the speed that you type this week and subtract the speed the very first test you did, whenever it was. If it was the first week of school or the first week you were in my class, you subtract it. If you cannot 100% remember it, you should be able to remember at least in what general vicinity it was, and you can use that score. If you were not here at the beginning of the first quarter or second quarter and do not have a goal, just fill in the part that says this is today's and this is what it was from the very first time I took my test. If you have any problems or questions, please message me, and if not, I hope to see you soon.